So, hello everyone. My name is Luis Silva. I'm a geographer, mostly focused on climate risk assessment. My partner in this project is Natalia Panis, a social scientist in art and design for the public space researcher. And our project is called Dublin's Demand for Nature-Based Solutions. Next slide, please. Nature-based solutions can be defined as actions to protect, sustainably managed, and restore natural or modify ecosystems, which address societal challenges such as climate change, food and water security, or natural disaster. So nature-based solutions are a way to use nature in our favor, recovering ecosystem services and take advantage of its benefits to help us to cope with climate change. So considering its relevance in facing the climate change challenges, our project investigates where nature-based solutions are most needed in Dublin. And to do so, through the elaboration of a map using a bunch of open data sets, creating a tool to support the decision-making process, showing where and to whom nature-based solutions should be prioritized. Our solutions address the urgency of climate change and the ability of nature-based solutions to respond to them, especially in an environmentally compromised area and amongst the vulnerables. Is designed to optimize the use of time and resources when planning nature-based solutions. The first step was to gather data and information to elaborate 6 ecosystem service spatial data sets, considering the natural aspects. 3 of them are part of the National Ecosystem Service and Ecosystem Service Map developed by the National Park and Wildlife Service, available on that data.gov portal. These 3 are the carbon storage, water quality, and food provision. And the other 3 we developed ourselves using a free software called Invest to generate a pollinator, flood risk mitigation, and a heat mitigation models. We also include a social deprivation index to ensure that the social aspects would be also considered in this decision-making process too. So the following step was to overlap or to combine all these elements and generate a final map, our tool to support decision. Next slide, please. This map consists of our final results. The map represents the nature-based solutions demand index in Dublin. The interpretation is pretty straightforward. As you can see, reds for high demands and greens for low demands. To showcase that, we create a store map where the general public can analyze and interact with the data. That is available on smartdublin.ie. Next slide, please. This is a tool that can help the decision-making process. It can be used for the strategic deployment of nature-based solutions, both at the government or private levels. It can also be used by locals, the general public, as a way to contesting decisions, demanding improvements, or monitoring the social and environmental conditions of their surroundings. Now, in terms of future perspective, we are planning to launch an online platform to aggregate all spatial data relevant to improve the decision-making process around nature-based solutions and turn that into a real citizen science project. We visualize the possibility of producing and use existing spatial information in a collaborative way. And bringing science-based evidence to people to engage with renaturing the city. Next slide, please. We would like to invite everyone to visit our Star Map webpage and interact with our solutions and our results. And please be free to contact us for any feedback or question that you may have. And that's it. Thanks so much.